How to select 1,000 cells in one click in your Excel spreadsheet. Maybe you are working on the thousands of data and you want to select a specific number of data cells that you want. In this case, maybe 1,000 or any customized figure, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to select the 1,000 cells that you want to do with one click. It's pretty simple and easy. You know, you can't continue highlighting a cells like this up to thousands of numbers. It's going to take a longer time for you to complete it. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it. On your Excel spreadsheet, locate this menu where you see this A1 and click in it. Then in this case, we are going to type our A, then 1,000. After typing this, we're going to press and hold on our shift key and then click on enter. This will highlight the 1,000 cells that we've wanted to copy instantly. So automatically this has saved you tons of hours for you to manually go through and be doing it. So let's say we want to select the hundreds of it. So all I have to do is to come back to the A1 cell and make sure this box on the top left corner is selected. Then we're going to type A, then 100. Then we're going to continue to press and hold on our shift key, then enter. This will make sure the first 100 cell is selected. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.